Good morning, everyone. Today, we step into one of the most fascinating intersections of our time, artificial intelligence and law. I'm Dr. Debashri Chakraborty, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Legal Science at Techno India University, West Bengal. Together, let's navigate this new frontier where technology challenges our understanding of rules, rights, and justice. Let's begin with the basics. What is law? Law is the foundation of an orderly society. It is a set of rules and regulations designed to maintain peace, harmony, and progress among a defined group of people. But law is not static. It evolves with society. As our communities change, as technology advances, law must adapt. With the rise of computers and the World Wide Web, we entered a digital revolution, one that connected people across the globe. But this progress also brought problems: data theft, hacking, online fraud, crimes that didn't exist before. To counter these threats, India introduced the Information Technology Act. This was our legal shield for the new digital era. And today, with artificial intelligence rapidly advancing, we face a similar moment, a need to rethink and reframe our laws once again. Now, let us move to the next important aspect of our discussion: the rise of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, marks the beginning of a new era in technological growth. Unlike earlier innovations, AI does not merely automate routine tasks. It learns, adapts, and even makes decisions. This transformative capacity is why AI is often described as a revolution rather than an evolution. But here lies a major legal concern. India currently lacks a dedicated legal framework to regulate AI. This absence raises crucial questions. Who is accountable when AI goes wrong? How do we ensure regulation without stifling innovation? These are pressing challenges for our legal system. To understand this better, let us distinguish AI from traditional software. General automated machines, like washing machines or air conditioners, run on fixed instructions. Once programmed, they perform without deviation. Internet-based tools, such as Gmail or Facebook, also follow predefined code, but rely on connectivity and user input. Artificial intelligence tools, however, stand apart. Though programmed by humans, AI can think, learn, and problem-solve independently. Take examples like advanced robotics or AI assistants such as Claude AI. These are capable of decision-making processes that go beyond human-defined commands. This blurring of boundaries between machine and human cognition is exactly why law and ethics must keep pace. Finally, let us briefly trace how AI has entered our lives over time. In 1950, Isaac Asimov's robot first imagined AI's possibilities. By 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. In 1996, Shaky, the first reasoning robot, emerged, followed by Sony's Aibo robot dog in 1999 and the Roomba cleaner in 2002, bringing AI into homes. By 2011, Apple's Siri brought voice assistants into mainstream use, and in 2016, Sophia became the world's first robot citizen. Most recently, in 2020, OpenAI introduced a generative language model, showing us how close AI has come to mimicking human expression. Each of these milestones not only reflects technological progress, but also sets the stage for complex legal questions. As future lawyers, your task will be to examine how law can safeguard society while still encouraging technological growth. AI is not just a technological issue, it is a legal, ethical, and human one. Now, let us turn to one of the most pressing questions of our time. What challenges does artificial intelligence bring to law and society? First, consider copyright law. AI can create poems, paintings, and even music. But who owns these works? The programmer, the user, or the AI itself? Courts have already faced similar questions. In the famous monkey selfie case, the court held that a monkey cannot own copyright. Likewise, can an AI, which is not human, ever claim authorship? The answer is unsettled, and our laws are not prepared. Next, patent law. Patent systems are built around human inventors. But AI, like Debus, has independently generated new inventions. South Africa granted Debus a patent, while the US and Europe refused. This global divide shows us how unprepared the legal world is to decide whether AI can truly be considered an inventor. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in surgery, diagnosis, and even drug discovery. But what happens if AI makes a wrong decision? Who is liable? The doctor, the hospital, or the AI developer? For example, IBM's Watson for oncology once gave unsafe treatment recommendations. Cases like this raise serious accountability questions. Turning to education, AI tools like ChatGPT can help students write assignments or prepare for exams. But they also challenge academic integrity because it becomes difficult to distinguish genuine student work from AI-generated text. Universities worldwide are still struggling to adjust plagiarism policies. In the realm of crime and policing, AI is used for predictive policing and risk assessment. But these systems can reinforce bias. In the US, the COMPAS algorithm used for bail decisions was found to be racially biased, unfairly labeling minority groups as high risk. This shows the ethical dangers of relying on opaque AI systems in criminal justice. Finally, in the judiciary, AI can speed up case management, assist in drafting judgments, and even predict outcomes. China already has AI-assisted courts, but should we trust algorithms with justice? If we rely too heavily, judicial independence and human reasoning may be undermined. So, students, the challenge before us is clear. AI is not just a technological issue, it is a legal and ethical test. Our laws, whether copyright, patent, IT Act, or data protection, must adapt. And as future lawyers, it will be your responsibility to strike the right balance between innovation and accountability. The age of artificial intelligence. Unlike previous digital advancements, AI doesn't just follow instructions, it learns, adapts, and makes decisions. But here's the pressing issue. While India has laws for digital technology, we currently lack a dedicated legal framework for AI. This raises big questions. Who regulates AI? Who is accountable if something goes wrong? To understand why AI needs special attention, general automated machines perform fixed tasks with no thinking involved. AI tools can think, perceive, learn, and make decisions. This cognitive ability makes AI unpredictable, and that's why existing laws aren't enough. Currently, AI is governed by general laws, like the IT Act, IPC, and Copyright Act. But AI presents unique legal challenges: unpredictable nature, determining harm, and causation. If an AI system causes damage, who's responsible? These questions show why we urgently need dedicated AI legislation to ensure accountability, protect rights, and foster innovation.